So you found your first wholesale supplier. Now what? How do you find their contact information? Do you call them? Do you email them? What if you're international? What if they say no to Amazon sellers? How do you actually get them to respond? In this video, I'm gonna answer all of those questions and more. And most importantly, I'm gonna teach you how to get in contact successfully with wholesale sellers and get accounts opened more easily than ever. So the most effective way to actually contact suppliers is to call them. You're able to form a relationship, you're able to talk to somebody on the phone, but it is actually not the most efficient way. And so what I want to break down in this video is we're going to create what we call a supplier pipeline so that you can continue to get high quality suppliers into your business on a regular basis. And so first, what we want to do to create our strategy is we want to build a list of multiple suppliers. So go out, find yourself a list of about 10 to 20 different suppliers. This allows you to always have more suppliers in that pipeline. So now what I want to do is I want to take some time and I want to show you exactly how I would go about building that list. I want to show you an example of what I would do if I was reaching out to a supplier via a contact form, and also if I was reaching out via email. So let's check out my screen and let's do it here together. All right, so here's a company called Sheffer. I came across them in my research and they're actually a great company that I've purchased tens of thousands of dollars with from before. So there's some free game for you. And on Sheffer's website, they have a couple of areas that I always recommend and always navigate to first whenever I'm looking to reach out to a supplier. So the contact us page is going to be where you get most of your information. And so let's take a look here together. So as we can see, we have their name, we have their location, email, phone number, etc. I also will then look for a contact form. What I've noticed is lately suppliers have really just been pushing you back to fill out the forms on their website because they just have a nice formal process that they like to go through. So oftentimes I find if I'm emailing or picking up the phone to talk to them, I get pushed back to the website anyway. So what I'm going to do is if there's a form available, in this instance, the become a customer area, I'm going to go and fill that out first and then do the process if I don't hear back from them that I just had described. And so here on the page, they have statement that says they're a B2B website, which is incredible. We only sell to retail companies and charitable organizations, etc., etc. Okay, and so here what they're asking you for is all of your main information, what type of business you are, what industry, where you actually sell your items, etc., etc. Then in here, you're going to give your tax information and all of that stuff. So they have a very straightforward process, and they would likely, even if you reached out to them via phone, push you back to this form so they can gather all of your information for you. And this shows them exactly what you're looking for, who you are, and what your intentions actually are. Now, if they don't have a nice, easy to fill out form or anything available at all, I would highly recommend, for efficiency's sake, then sending an email. So I wrote an email here that you can feel free to go ahead and use. And so this email goes a little something like this. Hi Sheffer, my name is Mike Sieben from XYZ Retail. Insert your name, insert your company name. I came across your company during my research and you stuck out as being a potential quality partner. I see you sell X brand, insert one brand that you saw on their website that drew your eyes, drew your attention. I'd be very interested in getting more information on X products and more. Can you please send over a new account application along with your most current catalog so we can put together our first order with you? Thanks, Mike Sieben. Title of who you are in your company, XYZ Retail, and then your phone number there as well. So I want to unpack a couple of things. I think it's really important the way that I wrote this email to talk about the specific things that are in here, okay? First, I'm addressing it to the company. I don't have, as you saw, the email address, the sales at email. If you had somebody's email, address it directly to them. If not, I like to just put it to the company. Right? Next, I'm establishing who I am and where I am from. I came across your company during my research and you stuck out as being a quality partner. I'm giving them a compliment right out of the gates, right? They're going to see that and they're going to be psychologically have a positive response to that. right? I see that you sell X brand, and now I'm positioning this as I have done my research. I know who you are. I know what you sell. You're a quality partner, and here's what I'm after, X brand. I'd be very interested in getting more information on X products and more, right? There's more opportunity above and beyond just X brand, insert brand name, and X products, right? Can you please send over a new account application along with your most current catalog? Okay, so here I'm saying what I want, what the call to action is. Please send me that new account application, right? I'd like your most current catalog. That's showing that you're serious, you're straightforward, you're to the point, and you're saying exactly what you want. You need to create an account with them, right? That part is obvious. And then next, you want their catalog. How do I get access to these products, see what my prices are, and how can I just get an order in with you? Right? It establishes your authority. And lastly, again, just saying who you are and how they can get in contact with you. If you get assigned a sales rep based on this email, they might want to just give you a call and talk to you on the phone to sort all of these things out. You also give yourself a title, whether it's founder, CEO. I find a director position is usually best because sometimes it's like, why is the CEO of said company reaching out to us, right? Director level is very appropriate. So I like director of operations, director of business development, etc. And so now you're going to go through, visit all the websites of the suppliers that are in your pipeline that you've built a list of. You're going to either fill out the contact form or send them an initial email. I would recommend waiting about 5 days to a week and then follow up with any ones that come back to you and reject you or you hear nothing from at all. Pick up that phone, talk to them, have a conversation and see if you can move that needle forward. Again, when we're doing this, we can sit back down with the same list that we're building and have contacted, and we can reach out to them in that sequential order as well. This optimizes your workflow and your time to be most efficient because you're bulking the tasks together so you can actually get more done in less time. I've learned that batching my tasks in my business, whether it's meetings, reaching out to suppliers, doing product research, makes me more productive. And psychologically, it's gonna help you be more enthralled in your work and you're gonna produce higher quality work as well. If you guys like this content, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel to get way more videos like this. As well, please don't forget to smash that like button. Helps out the channel more than you could ever think. We'll see you in the next video.